Once upon a time, in a kingdom...
Donkey, we're back!
So soon?
What in the name of all the king's horses has been going on around here?
What's been going on? I'll tell you what's been going on. All kinds of crazy things have been going on. That's what. Get a load of this. Soldiers are trying to arrest the Fairytale creatures again. Can you believe it? You've got to rip this poster down, Shrek. Man, we got to protect our friends. And Shrek, these posters ain't the half of it. Look at this. Coins just floating in the air. And you got to pick them all up, man. We're going to need all the coins we can get. They're all over the place, too. Over here, over there, up in the air. There's some even hidden in the crates. And look at this. When you jump on these lily pads, woo, you bounce. And then we got energy bars floating in space. Why? Why are they here? I mean, they taste like rattlesnake, and they make you feel all powered up, but still, you know. Yes, that's right. Hero energy bars for the hero in everyone. Giving heroes that extra energy boost since, well, last year. It's kind of spooky. They're just hanging in midair like that. Giving me the heebie-jeebies. Oh, and by the way, we're going to Far, Far Away for your wedding ball.
Our what?
Your wedding ball! The invitation came while you were gone. Oh, did I forget to mention that? My bad. But we can't leave till you get rid of all this hoodoo voodoo. So come on, let's get a move on. Time's a wasting. We got a wedding ball to clippity-clop too. Go to it, boy.
Oh, okay. I guess I need to pack.
Oh, and one other thing.
Donkey!
I really haven't had the chance to tidy up with all these bright, tinkly distractions. What was that?
Donkey!
Now, come on, Shrek. Don't get hung up on details. You gotta go get that poster down, man. And grab all the coinage on the way. And we gonna need buku bankroll for Far, Far Away. So make sure you get them all. Walking through water really kind of slows things down. It'd be way faster if you just jump across the lily pad. So come on, hop to it.
Gotta get those coins!
And check out your far quad punching bag. Give it the old 1, 2, wham, bam, hoo-ha, chuh, and rake in your reward. Punch his face by clicking your left mouse button. If you see a high ledge that's just out of reach, run up to it, and if you jump here, you can grab a hold of them. All right, looking sharp. Now use your left and right arrows to shimmy along the vine. When you're ready to drop off, hit the down arrow.
I am an ogre, not a monkey.
To make it over to that dilapidated bridge, you'll need to do a double... See all those crates? You can smash them to toothpicks by clicking your left mouse button.
What? Not bad.
Oh, look! Look, there's a four-leaf... Jumping on that sparkly lily pad will fly you right over those nasty briars. Punch those boards with your left mouse button. Keep your eyes peeled for those hero bars, Shrek. They'll give you a health boost.
Hey, I'm Roy, your save fairy. If you see me flying around, run up to me and I'll save your game. Really sparks your sense of wonder, don't it? Safe and sound.
Stand in front of this lever and hit your left mouse button to pull it. Break through those boards to get that...
Lucky me.
Shrek, look! It's an FG...
Come on over to FGM Potions and Notions for the finest in saucical paraphernalia. Introducing Frog Nog Supreme. Watch your enemies croak before your eyes. 40 weeks sleeping gas for a knockout of a knockout.
May cause headache and limb loss.
Or take their breath away with the repellent to repel all others. B.O. Noxious. Make big problems into microscopic solutions with itsy bitsy dust.
Now guaranteed 2% the survival free.
Having a bad hair day? Unsightly blemishes? Try my See Me Not Invisibility Cream.
Now available in new visible jars.
And let's not forget love's sweetest delight. One taste will melt the most brittle of hearts.
Supplies are limited. Please call ahead.
They don't call me fairy godmother for nothing.
Visit your local FGM Potion and Notion drive-through while supplies last. FGM, no furs, no woes, all items and funds. Copyright Fairy Godmother Enterprises Limited Corporate Committee re-electing Herald. Existence of any advertised products in this ad not a guarantee.
We should stock up.
Welcome to FGM Potions and Notions. Enchanting ideas and bewitching notions.
Yeah, here's that rotten... You did it, Shrek! Everything's back... Are we there yet?
Bandits! Shrek, let me help!
No, please don't leave me. I'm really losing it here. Besides, Shrek can handle it. Watch. Click on your left mouse button when you want to punch something. If bandits hit you, they'll steal your coins. Just clock them good and get your money back. Oof! Click your left mouse button twice to do a double punch. Left mouse 2 times. Come on, Shrek.
That worked out.
Click on the left mouse button 3 times to do a combo punch. Don't hold back with these guys. Give them what for.
Here's one for you.
This will be ourn. And this is just our first robbery.
Yeah, get him,
Try
Shrek.
hitting
your left mouse button.
Shrek?
As simple as 1 + 1.
What a pansy! Silly ogre! Say goodbye to your wheel.
Get every last one of them! Woohoo!
This one fancies himself a hero.
Aim for the pancreas!
No, you gotta get the bandits before you can get the wheel.
Another one bites the dust. This'll hurt.
You need to get our wheel back so we can get a move on. Ooh, Shrek, you showed up. Now we just have that roadblock in the way.
Could anything else go wrong today?
Now, Shrek, for every problem, there's a solution. Say, you know, those logs look kind of weak and crackly. I bet you could combo punch our way. Now that's what I call dead wood. Let's...
Finally, our heroes came to far, far...
Where is everybody? What the...
Welcome to FGM Potions and Nations, enchanting ideas and bewitching nations. Turn your enemies into not-so-secret admirers. Fairy Godmother thanks you for your business.
Ooh, look at those pumpkins. Go over to them and click your left. My stress level is very high right now. See this eye twitching? Ooh, there's the sparkly mushroom I can bounce on.
Look at the cute little donkey.
Hey, you want to fight or something? Nay! Nay! Arr! Nay!
No! Donkey! Got him!
You see that? Oh, I am good. I do not like nature. Nature and talking donkeys do not mix. Are you feeling stupid now? Yeah, I just want everybody to know that nobody's supposed to hunt me, okay?
Donkey!
I tell you what, next hunt, just count me out. What kind of game is the king playing at? Help! Oh, please help me! You're in trouble now. Whoa, what was that? Man, there's something strange about this place. I think we've been royally had. I've never actually been on a hunt before. You call me paranoid, but I don't like the looks of that tree. Hey, you want to fight or something? How did I ever get into this? Just a beast of burden, I guess.
Oh, a donkey!
Trouble now. You see that? How much more abuse do I have to take? I'm officially sick of forestry, okay? I did that. Shrek, is that you, man? You better quit kidding around. I guess having roots would make me cranky too. All right! Hoy! You trees have an attitude problem. Oh, I am good. I do not like nature. Nature and talking donkeys do not mix. If I see a hero bar, I'm getting it. Period. The end. Semicolon. Make me jump and then press the left mouse button.
Say bye.
Look at that.
You have to hit me so hard. This is not good for my health. Aha!
Take that from a donkey!
Are you feeling stupid now? That. Yeah, that stuns you, didn't it?
Ouch!
Yeah, check me out. My stress level is very high right now. See this eye? Yeah, baby, come to Papa, you sweet little pinky weeklies. You know my two favorite words? Bling and bling. Oh, yeah! Hey, you want to fight or something? Uh-oh, snapdragons are just vicious. Oh! Not psycho vegetation and the anti-donkey brigade. I like the look of that tree. Ah! It's a squirrel attack! Get it off me!
A donkey!
The tree's got an attitude problem. Oh! Now you're just driving me nuts! No more throwing! Woo! You see that? All right! Oi! Yeah. Oh, gimme! I'm officially sick of forestry, okay?
You made it.
Look at that cute little donkey.
Yeah, check me out. Never trust a bush that does that. How much more abuse do I have to take? With any luck, I'll come across another of those wanted posters. You know, legend has it it's a reward for getting 3 of them. Yeah, I'm no botanist. Ornery. Gotta watch out for those. Yeah, that's done, didn't it? Whoa! Cherry bombs at 12 o'clock! You know, they say money is the root of all evil, but whatever. Call me paranoid, but I don't like the looks of that tree. Let me get into this. Just a beast of burden, I guess. If I see a hero bar, I'm getting it. Period. The end. Semicolon. Ah! Ah! Yeah, that stunned you, didn't it? Ah! Oh, I am good. Never trust a bush that does that. If I see a hero bar, I'm getting it. Period. The end. Semicolon. How much more abuse do I have to take? Call me paranoid. I don't like to look at that tree. Oh, yeah! Well, they say money is the root of all evil. Whatever. Take that, you psycho fruit tree!
No, a donkey! Got him!
Yeah, I'm no botanist, but these trees look a little ornery. All right, coin!
Yeah, donkey,
Trouble that. Ah! Yeah, check me out! You feeling stupid now? Ah! Feeling spiky today, huh? Free food.
Not in our village. Here's one for you. This'll hurt.
Help! Oh, please help me! Thanks, Shrek.
You saved.
Look like bear traps. Good thing I'm not a bear. I should beat that tree up.
You have a nice day, too. Was that a squirrel? Pardon me. Excuse me.
Ogre!
Welcome to FGM Potions and Lotions. No furs, no worries. We take your turn anyway. Not just the prince under a fruit. It's sleepy time for your enemies. Shrek, all of you SOS, and thanks for stopping by FGM Potions and Lotions.
Whoa! That's one giant pumpkin. Fight pumpkins with pumpkins, I always say. Let's turn you into a pumpkin pie.
Flat top mushroom.
Worked out. Ouch! Here's one for you.
Yeah, I'm no botanist, but these trees look a little ornery.
Maybe I should give him a taste of his own medicine and hit him.
Oh, for crying out loud!
This'll help. Good times!
Are there any hidden areas around here? Or coffee shops? Shrek, you hear that?
It's quiet. Too quiet?
No. Woo, that was a close one.
En garde!
Oh my God, Shrek, help! It's a pirate with a tail and galoshes.
Excuse me, I am a musketeer. My name is Puss in Boots.
You are a pirate in galoshes.
What are you talking about? I look good in this. These boots are Italian leather. They accentuate my... Enough! I am here to kill the ogre. Prepare to die. Better watch out. This cat is dangerous.
Bad kitty! Down!
Move left and right to avoid the pirate in galoshes clawing you to death. Come on, knock him out of his boots! Where's your ship, pirate cat?
If you're not careful, little fella, you'll be skewered for lunch.
Curiosity never did kill the cat. For behold, here I stand.
Don't get in my way, Whiskers. It's been a long day.
Shrek moves in. It's hard to believe a cat and an ogre would be so well matched. But just look at the perspiration. Come on, knock him out of his boots!
Aye, what's the Whiskers? I just had that most.
My money is on the green guy.
I am like Quicksilver.
8 lives left.
Ah!
Ha! I am unstoppable.
Cool down there, fella.
Caliente!
Are you brave or just stupid?
I can't plan this all along, I know it.
And now, senor, prepare to feel my blade's cold, sweet kiss.
Are we supposed to pat him, or what?
Nah, he's a goner. Let's just watch.
Oh, yeah.
Ha! Gotcha! Who's in the cat box now?
You have defeated me, senor. I await your pleasure.
You heard the man, Shrek. Pleasure his awaitance. Take him down. Yeah!
What? No, donkey. I don't hurt little kitty cats.
Yeah, you do. You eat kitty cats for breakfast. You turn them inside out and wear them as hats. You pulverize them. You...
Never. They make scratchy hats, and they taste greasy.
So be it. Then I must become your faithful companion.
Think again, Hot Sauce, because that job is taken.
As repayment for sparing my priceless storied life. After all, I was sent here to kill you.
Sent here? By whom?
Why, the king, of course.
I knew it. I knew it. Never trust a cat who wears mink, Shrek. It's redundant, first of all.
Why is the king so against Fiona and me living a happy life together?
Oh, well, if all you want is happiness, then you need to see the fairy godmother. The offices of the most eminent one in all the land lie not far from here. Permit me to escort you thence.
Do you know how to get there?
Si, senor. I have marked that territory many times. Happiness? That's a no-brainer.
Ogre. What's an ogre doing here?
I'm here for my happily ever after. Cat said something.
Ogres don't get any happily ever afters. Now get out!
I need that happily ever after potion.
Yeah, that was stupid, wouldn't you say, Puss in Boots?
The blood of some women boils like lava.
Oh, you look real fine in that suit, Shrek.
Oh, thanks, donkey. Let's get going. It's sweltering in this thing.
I would wager half a stolen kiss the potion we seek lies somewhere within that room.